Dennis, who is 1.68 meters tall, casts a 1.4 meters shadow. At the same time, the mathematics buildings cast a shadow 12 meters long. What is the height of the building? So first of all, we need to draw diagrams first. See, we know that Dennis' height is 1.68 meters. So I just draw a triangle represents the height of Dennis first. So let's say Dennis here is 1.68 meters and the shadow is 1.4 meters. So we need to find the height of the building, which has a shadow of 12 meters long. So I just draw the height of the building first. So just like this, roughly, and this is 12 meters long for the shadow. And we don't know what is the height of the building, so we just put x. So now what we do is we just use ratio. So x is corresponding to 1.68 meters. So what we do is we just go x over 1.68 is equal to 12 divided by or over 1.4. So 12 over 1.4. So to solve for x, so we can just times by 1.68 and you times by 1.68 on this side as well. So that cancel out. So x is equal to 14.4 meters. So therefore, the height of the building is 14.4 meters. Please stop the video and do this one yourself. Luella's height is 164 centimeters and casts an 80 centimeter shadow. At the same time, her younger sister's shadow is 50 centimeters. What is the height of Luella's younger sister? So first of all, we draw diagrams first. So we draw the height of Luella's first. So 164 centimeters and with the shadow of 80 centimeters. So we just draw a triangle first. So this is right angle here. And then her younger sister, which is we're not sure how high she is, but we know the shadow. So which is 50 centimeters. And we need to find out the height of her sister, so which is labeled x. So x is corresponding to 164. So we can write x over 164 is equal to 50 over 80. So 50 over 80. So all I need to do is I just times by 164. I times this by 164. So that cancel out. So therefore we can find out x. So x is equal to, okay, because this 0 you can cancel out and you can just type in 5 over 8 times 164. Otherwise, just put everything on a calculator. And the answer is 102.5. So therefore, her sister height is 102.5 centimeters. Find the value of x for the pair of similar shapes below. So we know that there are two similar triangles here. So we have the larger triangle is here. That's one. And the other one is here. Smaller triangles as well. There you go. So we know that this angle here is equal to this angle because corresponding angles in parallel lines are equal. So we know this 10 centimeters is corresponding to the largest triangle, which is 20. And this angle here is common angle, so 8 is corresponding to x. So to find x, we can simplify x is over 8 is equal to 20 over 10. Now, if you cannot see through like this, so what you can do is you can draw that two triangles out. So you can see this triangle like this. So you draw a larger one, so which is this one here, which is these shapes here. And then you draw the smaller one out, so you can see. There you go. So this angle here is these two angles here. And this angle here is these two. And this is the common here angles. So that's all. And then you can see it. And then you can just find the matching size. So I just move this on this side so I can write on the right hand side here. So first of all, to find x, so we know that the matching size or corresponding size is x is opposite of this angle here. So opposite of this is 8. So they're matching, right? So x over 8 is equal to, so 20 is corresponding to 10. So which is equal to 20 over 10. So I can cross this out. So which is equal to, or 1 is 2 anyway. So I times by 8. I times this by 8. So that cancel out. So x is 2 times 8 is 16. Otherwise, just go 20 over 10 times 8. So therefore, x is equal to 16. Now to find the value of x in this pair of similar triangles here. So we know that you have a large triangle, this one here. So this length, the larger triangle, so from here all the way to here is x plus 10. And the other triangle is here, a smaller triangle. So which is here, there you go. So we know that this angle is corresponding to this angle, so they are equal. So in another word, x plus 10, the larger triangle, and is corresponding to 10. So which is x plus 10 over 10 is equal to, this angle here is common. So 8 centimeters is corresponding to 12. So it's equal to 12 over 8. And then we just solve for x. Again, if you cannot see from the diagram, of course you can draw two triangles out. So this is what it looks like. So the larger triangle is this here, and then the smaller triangles is here. X plus 10 is corresponding to 10. And then 12 centimeters is corresponding to 8 centimeters. So I can just go x plus 10 over 10, which is x plus 10 over 10 is equal to 12 over 8. So what I do, I can simplify first. Otherwise, I just do cross multiply. So which is 8 lots of this, because more than one term. So I have to open and close bracket, of course, is equal to 10 times 12 is 120. So I can remove the bracket. So AX times by AT is equal to 120. So what I do, I minus AT on this side, minus AT on this side. This cancel out. So what I get is 8x is equal to 100 minus 80 is 20. Add another 20 is 40. So now I just divide by this by 8. I divide this by 8. That cancel out. So x is equal to 40 divided by 8 is 5. So therefore, x is equal to 5. Now, if you need more practice on solving these kind of equations, please click on the link on the description below. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. So we have a small triangle here and a large triangle here. So these two are similar. So we know that x is corresponding to 9. So x over 9 is equal to, I just clear this first. Now this angle here is corresponding to this, so they're equal. So in another word, 12 is corresponding to the larger triangle here, which is 12 plus 3 is 15. So which is 12 over 15. So what I do, I just times by 9. I times this by 9. So this cancel out. So therefore, x is equal to, and you can just put that in a calculator. Otherwise, I can divide by 3, give me 3. This is divided by 3, that give me 5. So 36 over 5. So 3 times 12 is 36. So 36 over 5, which is 7 1/5 centimeters, or 7.2 centimeters. Now, to find y, we know this side length here is corresponding to this because these two angles are equal. So that means they're corresponding sides. So which is y over 16 is equal to, I can use 12 over 15 because the largest side length here all the way from here to here is 15. Then I just times by 16 on the left and times 16 on the right. So this cancel out. So therefore, y is equal to 12.8 centimeters. Now to find x, so first of all, we know that this and this angles are equal. So in another word, x is corresponding to 39 centimeters. And then because of this angle here is equal to this angle, because alternate angles are equal in parallel lines. So this means that this is matching with this, or corresponding if you like. So I just go x over 39 equal to 30 over 27. So I just times this by 39. I times this by 39 because I want to get rid of the x. So now I just put that in calculator. So 30 over 27 times 39, which equal to this, and this is recurring decimal. So I can write 43.33, or I press Shift SD button. So 43 1/3 if you like. So therefore, x equal to 43 1/3 centimeters, or 43.33 centimeters. Now to find y, so we know that y is this angle here and these angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal in parallel lines. So this means that y is corresponding to 18. So which is y over 18 is equal to 27 over 30. So 27 over 30. To solve for y, I can simply just times 18 on this side because I want to get rid of this 18. I times 18 on the right hand side as well. So which is cancel this out. So therefore, y is equal to 16.2. So therefore, y is equal to 16.2 centimeters. Thank you so much for watching.